inflation pushing food prices to an all-time high. A multi-million-dollar grant. That's the number right there. And it's making it possible for Hunger Free Oklahoma to put fresh, healthy food on even more dinner tables across the state. 2 News Oklahoma's Jeanette Quesada talked with a shopper about how it's helping her feed her family this Thanksgiving.
Sherry Daniels is among hundreds of thousands of Oklahomans getting ready for Thanksgiving Day, shopping Wednesday for those last-minute items at Oasis Fresh Market.
I have 3 big kids, 2 play football, so you know how they eat, and then my husband and I.
With prices on the rise, she says her budget has gotten a little tighter.
You have to pay your bills, and then gas goes up and down, and then you have kids in college and you have to pay tuition.
Daniels uses the SNAP program to make sure she and her family have food on the table.
All our money is getting stretched to other resources, so it helps me and my family tremendously throughout the month.
While she shopped today, she took advantage of Double Up Oklahoma, also known as DUO program, through Hunger Free Oklahoma. The DUO program matches every dollar families spend with SNAP benefits. Those families can use that money to buy fruits and vegetables. Now, with a new $14.2 million grant, Hunger Free Oklahoma is expanding the DUO program to 50 of Oklahoma's most food insecure communities.
So inflation's happening everywhere, right? And this program is definitely, we've seen people are relying on it more.
The program is operating in 17 farmers markets and 10 grocery stores across the state. One of those right here in Tulsa.
And that's why Oasis is here, planted in the middle of a desert. And when you know it's like a fountain of drink and you're in a desert, it's like you finally find that place. That's how it is. It's like we're quenching the thirst of people who haven't had anything for 14 years.
For Daniels, the DUO program allows her to share a Thanksgiving meal with her family.
You can use it on packaged greens, sweet potatoes, yams, collard greens, even vegetables that are even containered. That's also an eligible item for DUO.
It's something, she tells me, she's very thankful for.
It's amazing because that's probably going to be about $40 for all my collective items to use in several things. My turkey needs something, my potato salad, my collard greens.
In Tulsa, Jeanette Quesada, 2 News Oklahoma.
Now, Chris Bernard with Hunger Free Oklahoma told us they hope to expand the program to all 77 counties in Oklahoma by 2028. If you'd like more information, look up this story on KJRH.com.